Play some lightning link. There's your progressives. 250 bet. Dime denom. Let's get this bonus going and get something good here. Never had a lot of luck on this version, but I always give it a try. You never win if you don't play. 4 spins, no wins. Come on, no more dead spins, only wins. There's our first pull of something. Come on, hold and spin, full screen of something. 2 games left. Oh, that minor would be nice. Yeah. Last game. I call that a bonus bummer. Hey, we'll keep playing and come back and get something else. Alright. Just playing around here this morning drinking coffee. 50-cent bet. Penny denom. Had a bonus earlier. I didn't record it. And the major dropped. 5 balls, of course. Look at the progressives up here. Two spots left. Uh-oh, down to that final spot. There's your grand total. Nope, not seen it. No grand today, folks. No grand. I'm gonna pause the station notification. You're watching Blue Collar Slots playing at Ameristar, Kansas City. Hey, 1250 is a win to give us some more cushion for the slot push, and we'll come back and get something else. Hey, I'm out here playing Dollar Storm, Ninja Moon, 10-cent denom, 250 bet. Let's see what we can get. Another 5. Another 5. Hit something big here. Alright, save there, another 5. Oh, I seen that super grand chance in that top left corner. We'll pause for a second here. There's your progressives. All the way up there's a super grand. And back down. It's like a morning workout, up, down. Seen a minor fly by over there in the right top corner, and that's it. $52.50. We'll take that limit, come back, we'll get something else. It wasn't but a few pins later, we got it again. Hopefully we can beat that last bonus. Many. We'll take that many, it's $100. Hey, our first win. Come on, 5 spins left, something good here. 3 spins left. Frogs and rabbits. Hey, we beat that last bonus. Last spin coming up. Maybe that tiger will roar. That camera's still, they said. Last spin, hey, 14 tens to win. We'll take it, come back and get something else. Hey, I'm back. Playing some amount of cash. Nickel denom, 80-cent bet. It's early morning drinking coffee, just playing around, and got a bonus. Come on, big line hitter. Bring out the lion. Roar. How about anything? So far we got 80 cents from the trigger. Nothing. Stop it. Change it up. Come on. Anything? bummer. Let's get someone here on the last spin. 260. We'll come back and we'll get something else. So sitting down there playing some Mighty Cash. Wasn't recording, doing the 1 cent denom, the bronze 180 bet max, and got a full screen. So I figured I better pick it up and record it. Started out with 100, and down to 59.20 when we got it. Hey, $108 on a $1.80 bet. We'll take that. We'll come back and get something else. We got the mystery wheel playing in Ameristar, Kansas City. Mighty Cash. Whatever this is. Nickel denom, 250 bet.
Right. All mystery symbols are replaced by credits.
What is that, $12.50? We'll take it.
You've triggered Mighty Cash. Oh, this is going to be good.
Oh, it's going to be good. Come on, no dead spins. Bring me them question marks, like, what's up? You're watching blue collar slots. Come on. Spin 3 of 5. Fill her up, Buttercup. Oh, yeah? Uh-oh. Last spin. Can we fill it all up in one spin? Oh, the banner. Oh. I'm a middle child, so should have gone for the older brother. 2 spins, 2 holes. Fill it up. Uh-oh. Let's get it. Fill it up and double up. Nope. Darn it. Hey, 57.50 is a good win. We'll take it. Come back and we'll get something else. Hey, Matt here, Blue Collar Slots, playing some of the new Dancing Drum Explosion. Well, it's new to here to Kansas City. It's always tough. 588. I'm going to do the 10, which I normally don't do. Well, I normally do mystery, but... First spin retrigger. And the pot closed. Notice your progressives up there. We'll take that major, the grand, the mini, the minor, the explosion. We'll take any of it. All right, going for that mini. Got it. 1807 on the first spin, or second spin, whatever it was. Coins, $72. We'll take it. Food dogs all the way across, $144. Amazing. Blue collar make a holla. We still have 10 spins. Out of lucky 13, yes, that's my lucky number. $3 in coins, come on. Retrigger. Oh. 12 and flowers, coins, and chippy chips. Oh, come on. No more dead spins, only wins. You can do better than this. Change it up here a little bit. And the pot closed. Come on, $10 minute. Second to the last spin here. I'm trying to hold this so you can see and I can see. Mini. Got it. Hey, darn good bonus. one spin left, make it a big one. Hear them food dogs again. And a whole lot of nothing. Hey, 317.57, we will definitely take that. We'll come back and get something else. Ta-da-da-da. If you're watching Blue Collar Slots, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, select the bell icon, and select all so you don't miss a video. Thanks for watching.